Okay, welcome to the Gary Abbott Budget Watches. I'm sorry I haven't done watches in a while, but I wanted to show you this Cronos Flieger style watch that I got in December of 2021. Now the style has changed up a little. This is really a Cronos, but they, at the time, had this ILW, I Love Watches. I may have produced it for another YouTube channel. It's an automatic watch. It's a 39 millimeter case diameter. And the thickness is 10.1 thick millimeter, which is excellent. Very, very thin. And it looks nice. The downside, I would say, is it's a printed dial. It's not, there's no raised indices. There's nothing super unique about it. It's 100 meters of water resistance. But it was close to about $179. Today you can get one, whether it says ILW, they've moved up the automatic and they put in the water resistance below in the latest version. You can also get it that just says Cronos on the dial instead of I Love Watches, ILW. There is nothing fancy about the case back. There's nothing inscribed. I couldn't even remember the water resistance, had to look it up. But the band's really nice. It's not too thick. It's pretty, it's perfect for this watch. It's not too thin. I really do like it. So I wanted to show you this watch. I've had it for a little while, but it is a great automatic, and it's a PT 5000. Now you can get it in the SW200. I got it in the PT 5000, so the movement is way better. I like how the second hand goes all the way out to the edges. It really does look pretty good there. And the date window, nothing fancy there. It's a cutout, no border. But it is a hacking, like if you set the time, the second hand will stop. But I think you really like this, and I think it looks good on the wrist. Let's just look at it on the wrist. It's a nice looking watch with a blue dial. You can get it in a black dial, some other colors, some other straps. But I like this watch. Now, it does remind me of a small IWC type watch, but not quite as fancy as an IWC. But I Love Watches kind of hit me, look pretty good. And for the price, it's not totally inexpensive, but under $200. I think it's a great leather strap. And as you saw, as I had it off, it does have this orange, and it wears well. It's really comfortable on the wrist. And a lot of you like 39 millimeter, this would be perfect. I'll put some of the links and information in the description below. Like and subscribe to see some more watches. Thanks for watching.